Okay, so ikaw, how often do you worry? Gaano ka kadalas mag-alala? Like, anong iniisip mo? Anong tumatakbo sa isip mo? Anong problemang kinakaharap mo ngayon na, di ba, lagi mong iniisip? Do you know the difference ng anxiety and depression? Comment below. So if you know the meaning of depression and anxiety. If you don't know, there's like two basic lang. This is not clinical, but this is super practical. So, ang difference ng anxiety is you think about the future. Hindi pa nangyayari yung mangyayari, iniisip mo na siya, tumatakbo na siya sa isip mo. Number 2, yung depression is you worry about the past. Okay? So, iniisip mo yung past